Welcome team, my name is Chris. As the Executive Director of the NACFM board, I wanted to introduce to you an idea we're coming up with called Pro Tips for FMs. These are new, short, primarily technical videos in a little series that we'd like to do of 3 to 5 minute videos. If you have a FM pro tip that you'd like to share, please let us know about that and we'll try to share that for you. Attached is an example of a pro tip video for FMs where I mistakenly call lever nuts wing nuts. If you like this video or have comments, please do that below.
Well, hello y'all, facilities professionals and FMs. I was just putting in some new LED lighting here at Faith Baptist Church, and the board at the NACFM wanted to come up with some new video material. And one of the things we talked about was things called pro tips. And so I was going to show you a pro tip while I'm up here rewiring this light. And it has to do with a new device called a wing nut. And so I just love the name of those things called wing nuts. But what the manufacturer provided here was these shark bite type connectors. And I'm going to cut those two shark bites off and show you a close-up of those here in a second. But the wing nuts that they ship in a little cardboard box, and I was not trying to promote the device, but a little box of these, and I've got two different models with me. They recommend a certain strip of your wire insulation to make sure you get a good bite. And so what I'm going to do is take my two low voltage wires for this LED lighting, and these wing nuts just have a little flip up on them. And so I'm going to flip up that center connection and go ahead and just hide one of these on my positive and my negative of the low voltage side of this fixture. And the neat thing about this is inside there, it's opened up the shark bite crimp with a lever. And so then when I clamp that down, that thing really bites. And the main advantage to this is that the wiring that I'm using on 0 to 10 volts is actually stranded wire, easier for me to pull above the ceiling. But mixing stranded with solid in a wire nut does not normally work very well. And I'm gonna kind of on the prayer and winging a prayer, I'm hoping that these work out. So a little pro tip for you, a little shout out to my facilities professionals at the NACFM. I hope this helps, and maybe you'll see more videos like this in the future.